Hey, I'm Arya. Let's make Excel. Today, the SUMPRODUCT function. It multiplies arrays element by element, then sums the products. Sounds simple, but it handles weighted scores, conditional counts, conditional sums, all without an array formula. 4 real examples coming up. First up, a weighted score for one Pokémon. Charizard has 6 stats from HP through speed. We want to weight each one differently and combine them into a single score. The weights live in row 22, 10% for HP, 20 for attack, 15 for defense, and so on. Type equals SUMPRODUCT. First array, F3 through K3, Charizard's 6 stat values, comma. Second array, A22 to F22, are 6 weights. Close it, hit enter. SUMPRODUCT multiplies position 1 against position 1, position 2 against position 2, all 6 pairs, then adds them up. We get 90.85. One clean formula, no array enter needed. Next, counting rows that contain a selected type. We've got water in our criteria cell B25, and we want to count how many Pokémon have exactly that type. Type equals SUMPRODUCT. Then the magic. Open paren, double minus, then C3 to C16 equals B25, our criteria. The equality test returns true or false for each row, 14 values total. The double minus coerces true into 1 and false into 0. SUMPRODUCT then adds them all up. Close it, hit enter. We get 5. 5 Pokémon have exact type water in our dataset. Quick conditional count without count if. Now conditional sum. We want the total attack stat for Pokémon that match 2 filters at once. Generation 2 from cell B26 and type fire from cell B27. Type equals SUMPRODUCT. First, open paren D3 to D16 equals B26, the generation check. Multiply by open paren C3 to C16 equals B27, the type check. Multiply by G3 to G16, the attack column. Close it, hit enter. The 2 Boolean masks multiply together to give a single mask. One's for rows that pass both, zeros everywhere else. That mask multiplied by attack gives attack only where both criteria match. SUMPRODUCT adds them up. We get 115. That's Entei, the only Gen 2 Pokémon with exact type fire in our list. Last one, the full power move. We want a weighted score, but only for Pokémon that pass 3 filters. Generation 2, exact type fire, and total at or above 500. Type equals SUMPRODUCT. First, the 3 filter masks multiplied together. D3 to D16 equals B26 times C3 to C16 equals B27 times E3 to E16 greater than or equal to B28. That's a 14 by 1 mask, with ones only where all 3 conditions hold, comma. Now the weighted scores for every row. MMULT of F3 to K16, the stats matrix, 14 rows by 6 columns, times transpose of A22 to F22, the weights converted to a column. That gives 1 weighted score per Pokémon. SUMPRODUCT multiplies the mask by the scores and sums what's left. Hit enter. We get 96.5. Only Entei passes all 3 filters, and 96.5 is Entei's full weighted score. 1 formula, 3 filters, full portfolio. So that's SUMPRODUCT. One function that handles weighted averages, conditional counts, conditional sums, even matrix math when you pair it with MMULT and TRANSPOSE. No array formula entry, no Ctrl Shift Enter, just clean array math. That's how you make Excel. And if you want to take your SUMPRODUCT formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.